Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. I beg if you are come across this channel, please don't forget to subscribe. Give me notification bell, share and I beg. E get some kind thing wey dey happen for this life now. We no understand. But we dey care ourselves. We go say na devil dey do am. You understand? Na we dey use our hand take dey scatter ourselves, but we dey talk say na devil na dey do am. You understand? Okay, get some kind video wey I see for social media now. Wey native doctor dey say as they sell market for online. Native doctor she dey sell market for online. You understand? For this life, you know say we be Nigeria, no Nigeria. You understand? So e get many things wey we go avoid for inside social media, and you go need to hold God well. You understand? Hold God well. No say God wey I don hold for how many years, 2017, 2018, 2019, 2020, whether wetin he don do for you. You understand? Let me tell you, money wey dey sing so money no dey help anything. Money no dey solve problem. Na only God dey solve problem. You understand? But una never know. All those things wey those people wey dey market for online now, the day wey small pikin go buy am, top put, just use am take collect the money wey you get, body go shock you. You understand? No dey form say no dey do tika. One lady come out for social media now. He dey sell market now. If you no know wetin dey happen now, and she now wetin come shock me well, she carry Bible, she come add am join little lot of things. Now she come dey measure everything together because see where how you wan take buy am. If you want make you make am for this year, see the thing wey you go buy. Oh, if you want make your husband dey obey you, or make your wife dey obey you, see the kind medicine wey you go buy. Oh, if you want make you wey dey do yahoo, if you want make your market dey sell, see this one wey you go buy. Oh, wetin come shock me sir, e come say holy spirit dey inside the so, and spiritual nature doctor still dey inside. Different kind of thing. The thing come shock me. You understand? Wetin make me talk? Wetin make me carry this one come out? Now all those women, so children wey never look, wey never even plan of life now, as dem see this kind thing now, dem go come out, come dey find money wey dem wan thief take go buy. You understand? They will go buy am now. They will come dey use am. As they use am now, they don dey make money. We never know where dem for get money. We will come dey evidence say this small pikin wey dey born yesterday, wey dey born for my parents that day, no be get money, so no be the right motor so. Wait, tell me, you only see the back of the guy, you never see the front of the person. You know everything about you now. Say, see that pikin of that day, see how you don make am, see how wetin dey right, wetin dey right. Guy, if dem say make everybody dey do yahoo, everybody dey do ritual, nobody go dey this life again. If everybody no mass or go craze, make una use brain. Make una no go let small pikin run your life. Small pikin wey dem born for your brain, make una no go let am run her life down. You know wetin I dey talk? Share understand? For this life now, things dey happen. Many things dey happen in different ways. In different ways, share understand? You go talk say no. You forget say last in 2017 they say the 2018 go better. You enter the 2018, e come worst. Okay, because as one no better, the 2019 go better. As you enter, another problem called German. Now you come say as this that one don fit cross am, or 2020 go enter. The same problem. You dey see am so. Now you don enter 2021. Now that one come worse pass. Share understand so. Make you know say yes, no be back you dey come. Now front you dey go. No say guy, no let pikin something enter your eye. You go say the pikin don make am, so you must make am. Guy, if anybody make am, who go stay for rent? If everybody make am, who wan stay for rent wey una dey build? No go let pikin wey you down say you go say because of the pikin don use spiritual power take make am, say you wan make your own. You are not for pikin that one. The other the pikin get to head. No, until you get to head, you know say this life na teacher. Guy, you got to the woman post for now. May I show na make una see am. Watch am make una see am. Dey hear me? Watch am.
Good afternoon, everyone. Our spiritual work is ready. Almighty Jesus, morning spiritual water, and we have progress candle here. This one is for those that wants to win contract, or if you are a Yahoo boy that you do Yahoo, you can contact me for this one. This one is a pot. Yes, it's a pot, a devil destroyer pot candle. So you can get it in our spiritual shop. We deliver, we send. This one is love attraction, birth, spiritual kits. This one is for building. when you are building a house and you see that the building is not good, there's no money again to continue, you can use this one and this one too and this one too. You can use it. You see them, this candle is for case destroyer and for causes, generation causes destroyer. We have separation kits. We have separation kits too. If
shey una don watch am, shey una don see am. Why make I use one come and be say make una take am learn, make una use am learn. If una fit help me share am, make una share am. Share that stand. If una fit subscribe, make una subscribe. If una fit comment, make una comment. Na for free, no be for as you no get wetin you wan take for your body. As you reach there, as you just come across the channel, you see watch am. You know, wetin dis guy dey talk, whether na true or be lie. Watch am, comment, subscribe, like. Just turn on the bell notification. Share that stand. So anytime when we just upload to some any pictures, video, you go first see am. This video so take am advice. Use am get sense. Understand? No say na today live, na today news dey bad, na today live start. Guy, you never reach your side. If you reach your side, then you go know say na today live start o. Share that stand. Because they say where you hold for stone, and then that person hold for start o. Share that stand. Because you never craze. Make they just say craze na normal thing. Guy, I dey fear you. Thank you.